Well, the holidays got me. I relaxed, ate tons of junk food, and I thought, man, when I go back to work after this Christmas break here, I'm gonna be just raring and ready to go, rested up. The past 2 or 3 months, I've just been wore down. I was like, man, I just need some rest, and I'll be all up on it. I just have tons of energy, just run for days. I was wrong. All that resting and sitting around and eating junk food, all it did was get me sick. I am sick today and working, so just powering through it. My personal motto is you're going to be sick working and you're going to be sick laying in the house. Might as well be sick and making money. So I just keep going. But I was like, man, all that working, I was feeling kind of tired or run down. I was like, at least I didn't get sick. Working doesn't give you time to get sick, I guess. But as soon as I rest and eat a bunch of junk food, my body just apparently is like, it's time to get sick. It's time to just really let you have it. I was good the whole break too. I mean, I took a week off. I was good the whole break, and then right up to the day, but right on the day before I had to go back, start on my projects, I started feeling I had a scratchy throat. I was like, oh no, don't do it. And sure enough, here, a couple days in, I'm full-blown sick. I have absolutely no energy today, but still going forward. So, moral of the story for today, it's a very deep moral. I want you guys to understand this. Don't ever stop working. Ever. No, but seriously, it happens to me every time, and I really don't know why. For some, I don't know if just running so hard, my body doesn't have a chance to let me get sick, and then the second I just stop and I really allow myself to just feel how tired I really was and just relax, then it hits me, then I get sick every time. I mean, when I was doing 2-month rotations, 8 weeks on, 2 weeks off, up in Alaska, it'd be the same thing. I'd be running, working every single day, 12, 14-hour days for 60 days straight, and then I come home, and it hit me like the second day home how tired I really was. And then probably about 5 or 6 days into it, every once in a while, I'd just get sick, just randomly. I mean, it wouldn't happen at work. It always happened on my R&R. So I don't know what's up with that. There's some sort of conspiracy, I think, some sort of virus to keep everybody working instead of taking time off. Big corporations, they got something going on. I believe it. Conspiracy for sure. For sure. It's definitely a conspiracy. I can't prove it, but it's got to be there. Anyways, you guys have a good one. It's all I had on my mind today. If there's anything that you guys are thinking about coming in 2019, go ahead and share it in the comments. I know we got a big year coming up. I'm super stoked about it. It's getting closer and closer, a couple days. I got plans. Just kind of curious what your guys' plans are. What's your New Year's resolutions gonna be? You're gonna do something big? You're gonna start a weld business? You're gonna get into welding? You're gonna stop just talking about what you want to do, all the big plans you have for the business you already got running? What are you gonna do? Are you on top of life? Or are you just killing it and there's nothing else you have planned for, or what? I'm kind of curious how you guys are doing. I got lots of big plans for my business this year. I want to do things I haven't done yet. I want to get into. Want to keep growing, keep pushing. So I'm really stoked about it. It's gonna be good. You guys have a great day, and as always, I'll talk to you later.